back. Today I'm going to show you how to make oatmeal cookies. I'm going to use oatmeal flour, baking soda, baking powder, brown sugar, white sugar, pecans, raisins, butter, flax eggs, molasses, and vanilla. In a bowl, put the butter along with the sugar and mix it until it's well combined. Add flax eggs, white sugar, vanilla, and molasses. In another bowl, pour oatmeal flour, baking soda, cocoa powder, salt, and baking powder. Mix until it's well combined. Put the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients and mix until it's well combined. Add raisins and pecans optional. Use an ice cream scooper, and if you don't have an ice cream scooper, use a spoon to make cookie balls. Bake for 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 14 minutes. That's all I have for you guys today. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.